make babkas, begin by making a brioche dough. Shape the dough into a ball and refrigerate overnight. Roll the dough out to 2.5 millimeters thick and 30 centimeters wide. Spread with chocolate hazelnut spread. Gently roll the dough up and place in the freezer for a few minutes. Cut each roll in half lengthwise. Twist from the center, being careful not to stretch it longer than the length of the mold. Place in buttered floured loaf pans and put in the proofer for 3.5 to 4 hours at 26 degrees Celsius. Bake the babkas at 155 degrees Celsius for approximately 35 minutes, turning the pans around halfway through baking. Remove from the oven, brush the babkas with maple syrup. Corman Traditional Butter adds delicious dairy flavor to your brioches.